There are three systems to get return in Egypt from real estate investment. In Egypt, the off-plan developer provide you to get control of a larger asset with a down payment and installments without going to the bank either and without any interest, because already they priced the unit with the risk factors that instead of cash price, an installment plan. And this is what we are going to say now. And that leverage can work against you if your cash flow break the thesis you're doing. You understand? Because you don't know future. Like now, the economical crisis is going to happen, and the Middle East, all of this did affect the liquidity in Egypt. Life cycle for a real estate, it's 5-7 years up in Egypt, and then it's going to be freezed. And this freezing stage in Egypt, most of people, due to culture, understand that it's a dropping phase. It's not a dropping phase, it's a freezing phase. That liquidity is low in the market. But then it will go higher for the 5-7 years again. Each property has an age. It's like the human, okay? Young, and then every year he's getting older, the organs start to slow, yes, and the health start to decrease. This is the real estate, yes, this is exactly the real estate in Egypt. When you find a compound, it's already constructed, done, livable, occupancy like 80 to 100%. So he's an old property. I mean old in appreciation. If it was appreciating every year 50%, now it's appreciating every year like 20%. And the more older it become, the lesser appreciation will be every year. You understand?
Yes.